Hello guys, welcome to Samba Vibes. Leo nataka guys niwaonyeshe vile huwa tunapanda huko. So luckily kumenyesha na tukaamua kupanda. So guys, I wanna show you the process that we go through kupanda. Ndio hiyo tinga yetu iko ready. Sasa mtaifika huko chini. Hiyo tinga unadhani itateka au lo? Hujui itafika na huko chini kabisa. Baadhi kwa lao nina manyagilia. So guys, this is the pathway. We'll only leave this place. You hapa, we have some trees doing very good, as you can see. Trees are doing very okay. Doing very okay. Very okay. Very okay. Doing very okay. Very okay. Very okay, guys. So this is it. Doing very okay. Very okay. This one is not doing good. I don't know why, guys. But this place, it's a bit drier than the other area. So guys, this is the only pavement that we would plant. This is my pathway to my place there. But the other area will plant the whole of this. It's like it looks like a forest, guys. We've not been doing this. There's long since we planted there. So guys, the only place that I live out is this area. I'll only live out this area. This area. Bit of it. Then I will plant the whole up to there. You can see the tinga where the tinga is. So guys, right now what we're doing, we just preparing the seeds. We're releasing the seed to the ground so that then tinga now can go through plowing the soil. So up to this head, we'll have to plant that to this area, guys. The whole of this area, guys. The whole of this. This is before. I'll show you after. So my guys are there. They are ready. There is my wife and sister doing their thing. Yes. Then we'll be They will be ready to kick. Just enjoying the view. Yes. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. So we are waiting for my sister to finish their task. Then the tinga now will start. So this is it, guys. The good thing with the tinga, you just have to throw the seeds like that. Just throw the seeds like that. Then they'll just germinate. The tinga does the other job. So the tinga is ready to start. It will start with this area, this portion. As you can see, there is a pathway here. Those tinga is starting there. It will plow from that side as it goes to this side there. So I think the tinga is now ready to start. It is now ready to start. There it is. It will be starting from that area. So that is it, guys. It has kicked off. It has kicked off. It has kicked off, guys. So it is going to up to that area. So as you can see, it's picking it from this side up to that area. Yes, the tinga is now doing its job. Yes, and here I am. So that is it. The tinga is doing the stuff. So on. Ni mshaiona ikipanda before. Sasa huku mnaona kwa kumenyesha. So that is it, guys. I think it's that is done. Yeah. There we go. Naona vile inatoa bana. Lakini sasa hata hakuna matope. Ndio ujue iko imekujanyesha. Tunaona hakuna uchafu, ilikuwa imeisha kabisa. Bora ukitoa hizo kubwa ni hivyo. Analima hiyo shamba yote. Kwanza huyu naye akopoa, anaanza hivyo, anakuja anaanza chini. Huyu anajua kitu anafanya, ndio? Na tunaenda kulima nini? Lakini si ndio nasema aje, hakuna mvua imenyesha hapa. Hii ni mchezo mko nayo hapa. Kwani kanazima, hebu kaondokeni. Wewe kinyoriro. Hebu kaondokeni. Anza hapo. Hapo. Aja kujenyesha.
Sasa ngilime hivyo na ipitia hapo juu si inaharibu. Inalima na inapitia hapo.
The seed will still germinate hata ifanye nini. The moment kumenyesha it has sprout tu hata kai iko mbali wapi. Lakini ndio unasikianga hasa inakuanga ngumu ukilima hasa na mikono. Unasikianga iko ngumu. Jo hiyo mali inakanyanga kutakauka kashi.
Pali utakanyanga.
Pali nini inakanyanga hiyo tinga tinga.
Huwezi ziona. Huwezi ziona nini? Unaenda wapi?
Kevu ushaona tinga tinga ikipanda wewe? Hujaiona? Ndio mara yako ya kwanza. Hapo kanafika kanataka kuzima zini kwa nini? Akifika hiyo area. Haki hakujanyesha huku. Hapo.
Ikipatana mawe. Ikipatana mawe.
Ikipatana?
Mawe.
Mawe inakata kabisa. Hii sikiangi mawe.
Hadi imekata hivi. Hii mawe imekata.
Oh, na mwanga mingi sana. Mwede amu nini yake zote ya gudi. Mbona wewe wenyewe kuongela, ona wewe wenyewe kuikanje bingi. Meanza kuchoka. So guys, this as I was saying, this side is my site area. I'm supposed to build this area, but hii ingine ni shamba. So guys, this is what we plant. Napandanga is maize. Inaitwa Nduma 43. SC Nduma 43. This is a mixture of what and what? A mixture of maize, beans, cowpeas, everything is mixed up here. Everything is mixed up here. So guys, we are planting up to that area. This area too. Planting all that area, this area. All of these area. But this one is a path through. So like I said, we would touch this area. You can't touch this area. All of this. All of it. All of these. But the other side, you have to. Alafu huko kuna kwenye mahali hata fika pale hivyo. Hapo hivyo kuna stream iko hapo hata fika. Msiharibu bengu yenu bure. I'm telling them that there is a certain place where Tinga can enter. So they dig in so that they may not just waste the seed. Yes, because like I told you guys, we are just throwing away. Then the Tinga is now coming, plowing the soil. That is it. That's the only process, guys. Very simple. Very simple, guys. Technology. So, guys, I wanna show you. Within like 10 minutes, the Tinga has been able to plow this area. You can see this area. This is how easy it is to plant it. Tinga. So the tractor is so fast. It's so fast, very easy, just faster. So as you can see, guys, this area, this portion, it has done this portion within the first 15 minutes, the whole portion. So the only portion which is left is here. This is the only portion is left, this side. So it will be like let's say 20 minutes, 15 or so. He has done such a huge. So it may take like 1 hour to finish like 2 acres. Just imagine, guys, 1 hour. Guys, the work will be done. One hour and the work is done, because we are doing 2 acres, guys. We are doing 2 acres. Per acre is like per acre is 3,000 Kenyan shillings per acre. So per acre, this guy gets 3,000 shillings. That is like $3, say you. Yes, that is how it is. Easy to use tractor. You can see the whole portion. This is the whole portion. Within 15 minutes, we are done. Now you can now compare this work with doing it with cows. Very fast. So you can imagine hapa anamaliza 15 minutes. Bila maanisha kwenda huko China anamaliza tu like 1 hour. 1 hour na akiwa anamaliza kila kitu. Naona hii portion anamaliza. Ni asukume hadi huko juu. Kuna miti imekatwa hapo. Hadi itamsumbua. Inafaa kuwa na break. Driver mwenyewe pia anajua kuitumia. Eka hapo chini, aanze huku ndani. Nini?
Maji tulikuwa maji.
Maji ilikuwa hapa, huku chini hakuna kitu. Lakini the good thing na hii place ni ukipanda ni hiyo, hata kunakuwa clean.
Kushika maji ni ngumu, lakini ukishika unakaa sana.
Watamaliza leo. Ameamua kurudi Rivers hadi huko. Ndo amalizia hadi hapo chini, ndio? Mpaka chini hapo. Kana hiyo bwana.
Kuna bali na vipi unajua kandaga vizuri.
Na vile nimekaselect, nimeenda hapo nikaselect yenye inakaa kuwa na nguvu.
Zinakuwa mingi.
Niko mingi sasa hivi hapo.
Pia mama yeye
mama ni nani?
Maina, ile mama alikuwa anabeba zile maji.
Hiyo haina nguvu. Ina nguvu. Kama inaigua inaweza, hii ndio igua ina nini? Inaweza by the iko na nguvu.
Kama ilikuwa inapanda ile mlima.
Vile ina nini Kwanza hata kwenye inaendea nini? Ni vile ina hizo mavisu.
Hivi vitu vinakana.
Ndio maybe ndo ako by. Ilisha na akaachana na. You can imagine hiyo mchanga inafaa kuwa inapanda hadi huko juu. Unaona kwenye wanachibana huko kwao. Unaona visi ziko hapa juu juu. Can imagine mchanga inapandanga hadi huko. Huko kwetu hata yezi fika hapa kwa hiyo chuma.
Unaona hizo misi hizo vitu zinaweza blade.
So hii area yote hii, it has taken him like 20 minutes to cover this area. And it is only a 3/4, it's like a acre now. Or a 3/4. Three-quarter an acre within like 20 minutes. Tinga ni faster bana. Kanimaje sasa tungekuwa na ng'ombe. Tungeshinda hapa the whole day na kesho kuto hii nyingine. Huku juu ameachana na zime. So this area is done. Tuone mahali anaanzia. I like the way vile anaanza. Nenda kuanza huko.
Anaanza huko chini tena kama. Nakuja hivi anaanza huko.
So this area is done, guys. We are going to the next area. As you can see, guys, it's a very big portion within a very short time. So tunaenda hadi huko. Anafaa aanze hapo chini. Si kama wambu wame nini pale. Tu anatoka huko hadi huko. Kazi kwa hapo. Take it home. So guys, that is it. The shamba has been hata hapa kwangu nataka chimbue hapa chini.
Sasa ndio umejenga hapo alafu napanda juu.
Hii miti najua ameiona, si ndio? Ako poa. So hajanguza miti yangu. Kitamaliza the whole place now will look like this. Utakuwa na imagine. Shamba imekauka sana. These guys are very tired. They've done their job. It's now tinga job to finish the task. So nimeelewa vile anafanya karibu. At least this one is now a long distance. Okay, that is it, guys. That is our finger tank, and here we are watching. Mbona hata hawajamaliza? Ndio hizi vile zimeanguka. Show you guys. This maize. There it is. You can see, guys. So our work, guys, is just to drop them like this. You can see beans. You can see maize there. You can see another one. So piece of cake, guys. That's why I was telling you, it's very easy to use tractor than using the cows now. So as you can see, guys, so this means there's the whole area, this whole area of it, the whole area, this one, the whole of this area has seeds which are have just been dropped anyhowly, just been dropped anyhowly, and the only thing the tractor is doing is now to plow the soil. So as you can see, as I walk by, I can see beans. That's a yellow bean. You can see maize there. Okay, that is it. That's how easy it is. You can see this guy has done a lot of job. Been a very fair moment. So this is it, guys. This is it. It looks like a forest first. Then when the tinga does its thing, it becomes a shamba. Yes, this is it, guys. It has started here. You can see. Okay, it is there now. It is there. Yes. This is it, guys. This is it. This is it. So he's going this side, going the other side. So by the time he finishes, the whole of here will be covered. The whole space here will be covered. Yes. Guys, we are still. Our guy is finishing up. As you can see, he has done all even up there, down there. So we are just finishing. As you see how the day ends. So our guy is doing his thing. Yes, this is the only portion which has been left. The only portion which has been left. The only portion. Like I had instructed him, this guy is very good at following instructions. So I had instructed him to do this way. So you can see he has done it perfect. He's doing it perfect like I wanted. See my trees? This is my entrance. So it's supposed to start there and come all the way. This is just a small portion. He has done it very fast. You even begin to think like it was so expensive per an acre. Like it doesn't fit 2 acres. This guy has done it very fast. Guys, are you sure these are 2 acres? Are you sure? Are you sure, guys? But this guy knows his job. He knows his job. So God, we've done our part. Let us wait for the rain. Just praying for your mercy. For the rain to We've done it, guys, we've done it. Done it, guys. Final touch. Final touches. Final touches. Final touches. Final touches. Final touches, guys. As you can see, it's almost finishing up. This is after. I think you've seen it before. I started the video even before this guy could start his thing. And there he is, done it all. He has done it all, guys. He has done it all. So guys, that is the whole place. Now is after. Now the whole place now is now after. Amemaliza. So this place, I have to leave this place like this. I have to leave this place like this. So this is it, guys. Kazi tumemaliza hapa. This is after the job. So that is how the shamba has become up to that end. So we are just done. We are done, guys. We are done. Just waiting for now rains to come. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Just waiting for the rains to come. And that is it, guys. That is it. It is now clean. We've done it. Done it, guys. We've done it, guys. We've done it, guys. From this side, the whole of this area, to this other side, guys. Within 1 hour, that is done. 2 acres done. Business done. Let us go do other business. That is over. That is done for today. Yes. So that is it. That is it how we do it here in Ukambani, in Kenya, Kitui County, Mwingi Sam County. Yes, that is it. That is how we do it. That is how we do it, guys. That is how we do it, guys. Yes. Yes. Then the shamba is clean now. Shamba is clean, very clean. Very clean. Very clean. Up to that area, you can see, guys. Up to that area. On this side. This is where we started it. We started this area. Yes, we are done.